A stablecoin is a class of cryptocurrency that attempts to offer price stability and is backed by a reserve asset. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency, but it often has big swings in value. This volatility can make Bitcoin unsuitable for everyday use. Ideally, a crypto coin should maintain its purchasing power and have the lowest possible inflation. This drives consumer spending instead of encouraging consumer saving. Stablecoins have gained traction as a solution for this need. They offer the speed and privacy of cryptocurrencies, along with the stability of government-issued fiat currencies. There are three categories of stablecoins, all based on their working mechanisms. Fiat-collateralized stablecoins maintain a fiat currency reserve as collateral to issue crypto coins. This collateral can be precious metals like gold and commodities like oil, but most fiat-collateralized stablecoins use dollar reserves. Crypto-collateralized stablecoins are backed by other cryptocurrencies. Because these reserve cryptocurrencies may be prone to high volatility, these stablecoins are over-collateralized. That means they maintain a larger cryptocurrency reserve for issuing a smaller number of stablecoins. Non-collateralized stablecoins don't have a reserve. Instead, like a central bank, they use a working mechanism to maintain stability. For example, the dollar-pegged base coin uses a consensus mechanism to control the supply of tokens as needed. Stablecoins could have a potentially massive impact on the broader financial system. Because of this, politicians have called for greater oversight, and stablecoins have come under scrutiny from regulators.